To Tilly Akunipa on this, and I also start another interview with Ogidi Brown, another fact-finding interview with Ogidi Brown. Tilly, wrap up for me.
I want to
open your bar.
Yeah.
And Oban now.
Yeah, I want to do a back and forth with you. As in, me pesa obechembe me bisa wa no mama answer na ya so. So one friend am backstage. Do you think said there will be a possibility some kwoti asiende?
Well, that one I can't tell.
Okay, but you did this say like you accept so or bar stage, you know, or friend your bar stage now or corner be tono, right?
Or buy no corner be tono.
Which means like one banner could be a crowd in my uncle Jina why so ho.
And but
Mate, Uber you who naked our stage.
May me hold that.
Is it right? Like as an
but
artist,
me naked. And I make us say, yeah, for fun. But
Matthias say. O friend now or buy and your sister call managing a home.
And Nuntina me cutting so
one cut boss me who video no. You didn't cut it. Ujina home and at work a cry no me who say guy be or share red air cavalry dino and sana I think say now best stop you say na video ne cut it. You didn't stop it. O friend no and per the way the other guy spoke no it was sort of premeditated. The lady was standing by before you even called for it, which means say she knew you were going to call for it. And original back.
Na o se me di kan say me ye show bia na sa segment no wo nti ono no me te me information say we di kan say de obeye no nti so guy ne kan say ono no wa catch ne namfofo no dada say de obeye ene no. So remember I said that it's exactly what
the video them crowd.
Yes, it's exactly what
but now
Prince
onim say oba be yam.
But some me fans there to be frank. Show your TV3
train asema asi obesan free fan bison sa mesa de we biem.
Brasa me entertainment there say ye entertain adwuma ye so ye no ye gigi nkrofo ni nti no calling the fan to come on stage to dance na e bia this next time no may cautious me nkoka say be you hu na me ma $100 na say be you draw some me $100 because I no let me can asem na akofa asem aba nti no I only accept it on the ground to say me can say obimbe yi ombesan yi ne draws na man $100 ombe yi ne draws na man $100
ena obesa ye na oyi ne draws na wugina ho me question me bisa say kaya wo sister no full stage na oba na yi ne draws sa woni pem.
So really so
yes or no? Yes or no, boss?
Yes, if she will so.
You will let your sister oba so oba girl la oba na yi na stage yi ne draws woni pem.
Entertainment there sometimes you can't control certain things. Okay,
why exactly are you in the media? Are you promoting a song? Are you cause asema wo kan say the girl ni so obama we blow. And for me this is the biggest blowing. She's dead and you are now in the media. So what? Have you blown?
Cecia me sorry anopa we. Headlines e wo Ghana nyina Medina daso.
Okay.
Original channel Peace FM, UTV, Angel TV, Angel FM. Nti no bia on say we are say no ka say Michael Jackson. Obi to me wu I was stayed because of Michael Jackson. There were stories around Michael collapse. Na me nim say bia me ye Ghana ni na say be me ye Rasta man na me de ye de won bu yen bi nti na bia so bi ewu ama me. Me nka say wo no wu na me do. But nipa timi do ho do hye mu na I'm a star.
No, because
I'm a celebrity and people like automatically star bia people can do a lot
I would
of
think
things.
that you would want to see the family first than to be in the media trying to blow or be
No, I'm not in the media to blow. News na no. I need to clarify things before answer me no be say.
No, but you're not telling the truth.
Which of the truth am I not telling?
Because the story you are telling us, it doesn't match. I must say.
Assembly me make is what I heard. I'm not saying it to be specific.
Even the things you said, you are not saying the truth. The things you said, boss.
I said you should come and do
and remove. No, you didn't say try to you. Don't see you would draws. Obey the draws, boss man. That's what you said. No, it's not calm down. Only pay.
Entertainment,
no, it's not entertainment. It's life. No, this is not entertainment. Really?
Now you dress a bomb.
Remember I asked you, no, it's not bomb. No. But so original crowd in the Musuna.
She's not the first person. She's not the first person, right? The video. She's not the first person. So
the question is, why do you make girls remove their drawers on stage when you know
it?
Is it right, boss man?
Well, that is see.
No, is it right? Let's be frank here. Only pay who is it right?
Two blues.
No. Who died?
But Miss Media and my Yabia will be in wood until when the first one.
No, I'm saying that you don't have to wait for somebody to die. It's not right.
Death, no, it's not coming from me.
No, but if
it was an accident.
Okay, wait. So even if she didn't die, was it right to let Obiba be gymnastic? I'll say or run home for $100? Boss man, would you let your sister remove herself for $100?
Hello, my dear. No,
let's be frank here.
We have strippers. We have people who strip. You know that.
Okay, and do they come on stages where people are here for any people to come and strip? Did you go to the club? Did you bring strippers on stage to do that for you, boss man?
I didn't bring strippers, but she felt like she wanna do it. I don't want the family to feel bad.
Drop your remarks.
Let me drop my remarks. I just want to say that I'm very sad about it.
I can feel it.
Yeah, my voice is shaking. My voice is shaking. Say that. No, it's not even about a nipa. It's as simple as ABC. A nipa abrochi or cram my craft for my. It's a big deal there. Ghana na as a young woman, you know. You nipa asema to nipa. Let's talk about it. I am not going to front. This thing that you are doing, it is not in the nice light for me, especially me. When they say, because the thing you just said in a headline, I'm headlining. It's not a good headline.
No, that's what
it's my remark. It's my remark. It's Ube blow and I will be a toner. You are now trying to milk it to blow. I understand. Oh yeah, they obey. That's fine. But all I want to say is that. Ewiase no enda hokwa ewiase no eni anu edi nchini meko eni mpanyifo etete ho abayo abero ne ho ne ade enda hokwa bossman going forward so ubetumi a enmo obi ba embegina stage en won ne ho onye stripper do ye open strippers arom ho a ukọ club strippers club na wakoye enmo obi ba bossman $100 is not enough money to let a lady ever strip naked. Bossman, it's not enough money o emma ye ho ofaso imbimu na ho ofaso but me remark, don't let somebody's child, whether boy or girl, to come and stand there for just $100. Open to work as they'll come and work, but to remove boss ni hu ni egu ho or your nipa or boss ni hu ni egu ho. What the Matthias say, all I'm trying to say is that claim responsibility of your actions. One our friend, maybe because Jina Wanko, Nipo Mujina Honia, did they die? I want to ask you, all the people that were in there, did they die? Did they die standing there dancing?
But Brasa me patch me about.
Tilly, why we?
No, did they? You have to accept. Say I'm not saying it's only on you. The organizers, they are not also out. How can you do a thing and live wire and all? You are endangering people. Like it could have even been you who got hurt. Free stage. All I want to say is that accept say what your mistake will be. No cry, no beka, no wakana. Those who support, like genuinely support you, will support you. But don't make it look like or say or be no. Cause story no. You will make church all the pastors. Insist, because insist so boss man. Insist so.
Okay.